Among the many things that allow people to succeed, knowledge in math and science is essential to said success. The math science investigators not only gives a basis in math and science, but also gives young students a chance to apply the skills that they learn. As a rising sophomore, or wise fool if I may, in the MSI program, I'm in the mentor-mentee section of the program. I am Seth Vickers. My mentor is Grandin Atwood, and my partner in crime is Coleman Shepherdson III. Under the leadership of Grandin, Coleman and I studied the relative eye health of maternal versus non-maternal rats. This involved perfusing, a more humane way of harvesting the parts of the rat needed for the various studies within the Kinsley lab. For us, it is the eyes. Once harvested, we then proceed to use a device called a cryostat. This allows us to section the eyes. These sections can then be stained and examined under a microscope. Thanks to a special microscope that we have, we can cut out any part of the sectioned eye using a laser and shoot it into a test tube for further examination. For us, we do this on the retina. We, the MSI class of 2012, had the stupendous experience of participating in a chemistry class led by the most remarkable Dr. Case. Under his guidance, we learned to transfuse, a process used to find the amount of a known substance within a known or unknown substance. We also learned to use a separation funnel, as well as mathematics within chemistry, including significant digits and basic formulas involved in chemistry. I was also given the opportunity to work with another mentor, Steve Daniel. Steve specializes in technology and showed me a 3D printer. This machine allows you to print three-dimensional models of any figure. He also showed me the app he was developing, which allows you to play air guitar on your Android phone, using Arduino, a single-board microcontroller that allows you to create interactive electronic objects. As always, this year's MSI Richmond has been a learning experience and a most enjoyable one at that. And, to me, priceless.